Hello guys, today I'm here with a new tutorial, and in this video I'm gonna show how to dual boot Windows 10 and Ubuntu. So before starting, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then please go and subscribe to our channel and stay connected for the latest updates. So guys, let's start. Dual boot on two separate drives is the best way to dual boot two OS, and both the OS must be installed in the same boot mode, either Legacy or UEFI. For this purpose you'll require Windows 10 ISO file, Ubuntu ISO file, Rufus for creating bootable USB, and also two USBs, one with minimum 8 GB for Windows 10, and another with minimum 4 GB for Ubuntu. So, the very first step is to create bootable USBs. For that, plug any 8 GB USB. Now, open Rufus. By default the USB has already been selected. Now select the Windows 10 ISO file, and click on Open. Choose partition scheme as MBR if you're using legacy system, otherwise use GPT partition scheme. Now click on Start. Click on OK. Windows 10 bootable USB has been created successfully. Click on Close and close Rufus as well. Now, eject the Windows 10 USB, and plug any 4 GB USB. Now, open Rufus. Select the Ubuntu ISO file and click on Open. Make sure to select the same partition scheme, which was used for Windows previously, and click on Start. Click on OK. Click on OK. Ubuntu bootable USB has been successfully created. Close Rufus.
eDrawMax is an all-in-one diagramming tool that can serve all of your purposes. It is available for Windows, macOS, Linux, and online using. Whether you need to draw flowcharts, UML diagrams, or design floor plans and office layouts, you can find what you want in eDrawMax. eDrawMax provides solutions for more than 280 types of diagrams. It is the best Visio alternative. eDrawMax provides 50,000 ready-made symbols and over 2,000 built-in templates, drag-and-drop interface, and Microsoft Office-like user interface to get started easily. Saving and exporting to different file formats is easy in eDrawMax. It is compatible with a variety of file formats such as Microsoft Visio, Word, Excel, PDF, JPG, SVG, and many others as well. Affordable prices make eDrawMax the best alternative for just a fraction of a price. All information and file transfers are secured with the highest level of SSL encryption. Get your eDrawMax today. Links for this amazing software are provided in the description. eDrawMax, an all-in-one diagramming tool.
Now power on your PC plugging Windows 10 USB. Press F12 to boot menu. Select USB followed by the UEFI prefix, and press enter to boot. Now continue with the setup. Enter product key if you have, if not, click on I don't have a product key. You can also activate after installing. Select Windows 10 version and click on next, and continue with the setup. Here, it's showing unallocated partition, as the SSD is formatted. Before proceeding, make sure to completely erase your SSD or hard drive. Then click on next. Now, configure your PC and continue with the setup. Windows 10 is installed successfully. Connect your PC to Internet. Now it's time to install drivers, either update your Windows 10, or install drivers manually. Windows has been updated successfully. Now open Disk Management. Select Partition C and shrink the volume. Enter the disk size you want to create for Ubuntu, and click on Shrink. The partition is created. Close Disk Utility and restart your PC plugging Ubuntu bootable USB. Press F12 to boot menu. Select USB followed by the UEFI prefix, and press enter to boot. Select Ubuntu, Safe Graphics, and press enter. Here, it's checking the file system. Press Ctrl C to skip checking. Select your language and click on Install Ubuntu. Choose your keyboard layout and click on Continue. Check the last option and click on Continue. Select the option Something Else and click on Continue. Select the free space previously created on Windows and click on plus button. Now create the partition with following parameters. Click on OK. The partition is created. Select the free space and create the partition with following parameters. Click on OK. Now select the previously created partition. Select the drive from drop-down list for installing bootloader. Click on Install now. Click on Continue. Now continue with the setup. Click on Continue. And Ubuntu is being installed. Eject the USB and click on Restart now. Now we have booted successfully to Ubuntu. In Ubuntu all the hardware works out of the box. If any of your hardware or device is not working, try installing the drivers manually. As of now both Windows 10 and Ubuntu has been installed. Let's check the hardware and system specification. Firstly we'll check in Windows 10 and then in Ubuntu. Windows has booted. Let's check if everything is working or not. In Windows 10, everything is working as expected. Let's check for the same in Ubuntu. In Ubuntu, everything is working as expected. So guys, finally we have working Windows 10 along with Ubuntu. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, just comment down below. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. And for more updates stay connected, and have a great day.